Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 35% gain in FDX within one day. Let's have a look at the chart of FDX. For this play, I'll be playing the volatility crush on earnings announcement. So on earnings day, the volatility will be down. And thus, I'll expect the inflated option price to be lower as well. Entry is on 20th March with exit on 21st March. In summary, this is a neutral trade that has entry price of $3.40 credit and exit price of $2.20. Understanding the option price reaction on earnings day as well as before earnings day creates the success in this trade. A nice 35% gain for this trade within one day. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 20th March with exit on 21st March. Entry price is $3.40 credit with exit price of $2.20. This trade has achieved a 35% gain within one day. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.